Draw Learning. Today we are going to draw a cat while we learn Spanish. Now we draw the ears. That is said, orejas. We draw their lovely eyes. Eyes in Spanish is ojos. Very good. Let's go with his legs. That in Spanish is said, patas. We draw its tail. That is said, cola. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. We painted their eyes black. Black in Spanish is negro. Very good. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say cat in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use the brown, which in Spanish is marrón. We use this color for the rest of the body. Body in Spanish is said, CUERPO. The drawing is looking very good. We are almost finished. Let's see if you know the answer. Cat in Spanish is gato. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.